Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to rotate pages clockwise or counterclockwise in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Whether you're dealing with scanned documents that came out sideways or simply need to adjust the orientation of specific pages in your PDF, this process will help you get everything aligned properly. Let's jump right in. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're signed in, navigate to Recent Files and select the PDF file where you want to rotate pages. This will open your document and display it in the main workspace, ready for editing. Now, look at the upper left toolbar and click on Edit. This action opens up the editing options available for your PDF. From here, you'll notice various tools appear in the left panel. In this panel, click the Rotate button. This is one of the quickest ways to rotate pages in your document. Alternatively, if you don't see the Rotate button immediately or prefer a different workflow, you can click on All Tools in the upper left toolbar. This opens up a comprehensive menu of all the tools Adobe Acrobat offers. From this menu, locate and click on Organize Pages in the left panel. The Organize Pages tool gives you more control over how you manipulate the pages in your PDF, including rotating, reordering, and deleting them. Once you're in Organize Pages mode, you'll see thumbnail previews of all your pages. Click on the specific page you want to rotate. The selected page will be highlighted, indicating that any action you take next will apply to that particular page. Now, look at the left sidebar where you'll find options for Rotate Page Left or Rotate Page Right. Click on the one that suits your needs. Rotate Page Left turns the page counterclockwise, while Rotate Page Right turns it clockwise. If you need to rotate all pages in your document rather than just one, simply highlight all the pages in the thumbnail view. You can do this by clicking and dragging across all thumbnails or using a Select All function if available. Once all pages are highlighted, go back to the left sidebar and click either Rotate Page Left or Rotate Page Right, depending on which direction you need. This will apply the rotation to every page in your document at once, saving you time if you're working with a multi-page file. Finally, once you've finished rotating your pages and everything looks correct, click the Save button in the upper right panel. This ensures all your changes are preserved and the PDF is updated with the new page orientations. Give it a moment to save, especially if you're working with a larger file. And that's it. You've successfully rotated pages in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.